Check it out in all viewports and see its operation on this 3D model. Try to do it and complete the job. Also in 2D viewports, top, front and right, it's enough to press and drag the right button mouse to do it. It's so easy and useful and no need to run the pan command each time. Check it out in graphic window. Now double-click on perspective viewport and change it to full screen. Click here and in the list, here. Check the rendering styles on this 3D box respectively and test all of them. Next command is perpendicular from curve. Run it and select this straight line. Now move the mouse. You can only make a perpendicular line. Right-click or enter to apply it. Again run the command and now select this curve, and then move the mouse again and check it out the result in graphic window. Now create several points respectively and make a interpolation curve on surface, on this 3 different curves here. Try to do it and complete the job and check the result in graphic window. Now move the mouse on curve and click to define the center point of circle. Again move the mouse and define the radius or diameter of circle. Use its options in command line. And then, finally, again move the mouse and you can change it to conical mode, and you can specify the different offset values for other points. Select several points on continuity. Tangency is G1. Curvature is G2, G3 is Class A surfacing, and then test the G4 type of continuity. Now you can see the result projected curve, and then, now press and hold the Control key and click here, and move the mouse. Now, for this point, you can specify the height, complete this point, and for next point, here. Leave the Control key and, you can see this point placed on C-plane. Again for this point use the Control key. And check it out, this is so important and powerful note. Okay, now you can create a 3D curve. Good. Complete the job and the next command is area dimension. You can select a closed curves and do that. The middle section curves is not important. And make tangency the surface more and more. Next style is tight. Test it on graphic window. Check it out completely and next style is straight sections. Its continuity in this style is G0. Select this circle, apply and again apply the seam adjustment, and now you can see the sweep preview. Now in dialog box, in curve option, you can see the default. Check it out the result sweep surface and then and endpoint. Complete the job and see the fantastic result surface in graphic window. Complete the job and check it out again and again in graphic window. Also you can use the add handle item. Select it and add a point on your desired edge and again drag it. And finally test this sliders and check its operation. Okay, Let's start. Test all parameters and continuities and check it out. And test its operation in graphic window. It's good. Try to do it and complete the job and check the fillet shape in graphic window more and more. Select a long curve, and then select this open curve and complete the job. Now you can create this cut sweep with this method. Now in Edit menu, Control Points, select Control Points. You can choose your type of selection here. And its color is green, and change it to current layer. Accept other parameters and then in graphic window, create several optionally spheres in different positions and different dimensions, and check it out finally. Test it on all layers and hide its objects in graphic window more and more. Number of objects in X, Y and Z direction, all direction is 3. Complete the job and then, X spacing, Y and Z, all in 10 millimeters. Complete it and then you can see the preview. Enter to accept. OK, it's very good.
Select these two curves on graphic window. If necessary, use the flip curve checkbox and correct the result. Increase the distance and test the result in graphic window. You can see the new shape of this object. Again, test it and edit these parameters more and more. Also test the symmetry checkbox. Now you can see the result sweep preview here. Edit its segments and then OK the command and check it out completely. And select Custom, and then Start Point and End Point of this axis. Complete the axis and finish the process. Do it and then in dialog box, increase number of segments, and test the cap start and cap end. Very good. Select them from two different boxes and apply. Now you can see the operation of this command. Good. And next command is fill. Now change it from translate to rotation, and test it on vertex, edges and faces.